Minasan, konnichiwa. Today we are going to see basic numbers in Japanese. This is very basic one, so you have to memorize and apply it in your daily life. Suji, numerals. Suji, numerals. Zero, rei. Ichi, ni, san, yon, shi, go, roku, shichi, nana, hachi, kyu, ku, ju. For 0, there is no kanji. For 1 to 10, this is very basic kanji. In some places, only pronunciation will change. But this is a basic one to use numbers in Japanese. So, when you say 11, you have to tell 10 plus 1. That means ju plus ichi. Ju ichi. So, this will continue. When you are telling number, you have to add 10 plus 1, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 3 like this. For 12, ju plus ni, ju ni. For 13, ju plus san, ju san. For 14, ju plus yon, ju yon. For 15, ju plus go, ju go. For kanji, you have to add 10 kanji plus number kanji. 10 plus 1 means 10 kanji plus number kanji, 1. 10 plus 1, 11. Ju roku, for 16. Ju nana, ju nana. Ju hachi, ju kyu, ni ju. This 11 to 19 will repeat for all. If you want to say 21, add 20 plus 1. 20 is niju plus 1 ichi. Niju ichi. Whenever you are saying 20's multiplies, 2 into 10, 20. For 20, ni into ju, niju. For 30, sanju. 40, yonju. 50, goju. 60, rokuju. 70, nanaju. 80, hachiju. 90, kuju or kyuju. For 99, kyuju kyu. Kyuju kyu. For 100, hyaku. Hyaku. For 200, ni hyaku. Same like numbers counting. 2 into 100. Ni into hyaku. Ni hyaku. 300, sanbyaku. 400, yon hyaku. 500, go hyaku. 600, ropyaku. 700, nanahyaku. 800, hapyaku. 900, kyuhyaku. This hyaku use will be applied for everywhere, but only this red highlighted place, the pronunciation will change. For 300, sanbyaku. For 600, ropyaku. For 800, hapyaku. For remaining, it is hyaku. So, how to say 1000? Sen, 1000. Nisen, 2000. Sanzen, 3000. Yonsen, 4000. Gosen, 5,000. Rokku-sen 6,000. Nana-sen 7,000. Has-sen 8,000. Q-sen 9,000. So you have to just add sen with number. For 2,000, 2 into ni 2 into 1,000. So ni into sen, ni sen. Only this red highlighted area you have to change the pronunciation. For 3,000, san-zen. For 8,000, has-sen. For remaining place it is sen. Just add sen with the number 1 to 10 number. For 10,000 it is man. 10,000 ichi-man. This is also same. 1 into 10,000. Ichi into man. Ichi-man. Ni-man. San-man. Yon-man. Go-man. Rokku-man. Nana-man. Hachi-man. Q-man. Just add man with 1 to 9 numbers. For 1 lakh it is ju-man. For 10 lakh it is hyaku-man. For 1 crore it is for 1 crore it is isen-man. For 10 crores it is ichi-oku. So how to tell with the points number? 20.5. We have to tell niju 10 go. For point is 10. So niju 20, 10 point go 5. Niju 10 go 20.5. 0 10 go ni. 0 10 go ni. 0.52. Same you have to tell. 0 rai. You can use 0 or rai. Rai 10 go ni. So how to tell this number? 1 by 2. Ni bunno ichi. Ni bunno. So 2. 1 of 2. So ni bunno ichi. 3 by 4. Yon bunno san. 3 out of 4. Yon bunno san. So below number will come first. Yon bun no san. Upper number will come second. So 1 by 2 means ni bunno ichi.